Hello everybody, welcome back to my Minecraft world. So, we left off yesterday with me explaining everything that I've done since you guys were gone. So, now we do stuff. I think we're going to go to the Nether today, meaning I need a new sword. So, sword. Grindstone. I'm running low on iron. Don't question all the furnaces. Or all the bows. Actually, I can probably think so. Sorry, I know I'm getting sidetracked, but I just wanted to. And okay. Sorry. Alright, so what was it? Oh yeah, sword. Ah! We'll go mining later. Okay, good. I don't need ground flesh because I'm not bringing my dogs with me. I'll bring potatoes though. I'll bring that, but not that. Whatever. Right, I do need logs. Yep, that's all. So, I'm looking for blazes so that I can make it. Excuse me. I'm looking for blazes so that I can make high vendors. Let's go. I haven't shown you guys my nether yet. So here. Over that way is one of the new biomes. The red one, whatever that one's called. I don't really know. Excuse me. Spooky, scary, trying to go across this. Oh, thingamajig. Wait, I'm not wearing any gold hats. Oh yeah, that's right, it got destroyed. It's okay, I can fight off all those pigments. Hello. Hello. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, are you kidding me? Heal, 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 heal. No. I died. Alright, back at it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey. Back at it. Yes, ma'am. Up, hop, 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 hop. What's up, my dude? You can hit me. Ah! Luckily, what the poo? Dude, do your job. Yeah. Alright, dogs. Stay here. Alright, for real this time. Because I'm sad. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Stop. Why am I stuck? Hope. Come on. Hi. How you doing? I didn't do that. Oh, look, it's a man. Wait, please tell me I didn't lose all my stuff. Well, it doesn't look like much into lava, so that's good. I saw my sword. I have my building blocks. Yeah, I saw some cobblestone go down there. I'm not going down there though. So this. Oh yeah. Oh, you better watch it, man. I haven't found a blue one yet. Since another game. Another update. Why did I do that? Why is this so easy to go through Nether? Hi buddy, I hate you. Go away. Come at me, I dare you. I hear you. Just you now. Oh my god. Someone coming from behind me. You flanked me. I didn't know these guys knew how to flank. So what, folks? No. Don't you dare shoot me as I'm trying to fight these guys. Ow. I hate those guys. Those guys are mean. Alright, here. More. Swamp. Look, I can jump you, right? Did you just shoot me? Green up, huh? You don't know who you're messing with. Come on, fight. Let's go. Come on. Chicken? Are you chicken? Yes. Wait. Chicken food. Yes. See, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god at this. Let's see, did you drop anything? Just some levels for you. So what we're gonna do now is Enderman. Where you come from? Huh? So, oh, I looked at you now. Oh, one just died. Still looking at you. Come here. Ow, hit me. You good guy or bad guy? Come here. Ah! Need to eat. Those guys did a lot of damage. See? Doesn't look like it. Alright, I'm looking for Soul Sing, but I don't know where any is. So I'm just gonna keep collecting a whole lot of this one. I'm dying. Oh, this tree's thick. Why am I trying to get a pickaxe? How much wood do I have now? 40. We'll go for a stack, and I'll keep looking for some Soul Sand. And then also looking for another fortress, because that's where you find places. And I need to find my way home, which I have written down on my phone. So that shouldn't be too bad. On the fact that I may run out of blocks, I mean. Yo. Alright, so I missed. But I heard if you crouch, then it helps not give you as much fall damage, so it's good. I don't know why I'm collecting this. I just like it. Oh, I got an ender pearl. So let's go. Wait, I don't like you. Hey, it's one of those things. I don't feel like stepping. What is this? Basalt? What is basalt? I don't know, but it looks kind of cool, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright, how much we got? Only 13? What's this? Blackstone. Blackstone's sick. Is it snowing? Dude, it's snowing in the Nether, but you can't place down water? Ah! Oh, God, I'm dying. No, you piece of poo nuggets. I'm not going